Hey, I'm Natalia, and today we'll explore the value-added process of publishing an app. In other words, what does it mean to publish a data app? So, you're done building your app. Now, publishing allows you to lock in and run your finished data app. This tutorial includes how to publish an app and a breakdown of the app mission control and running a published app. Here is an example of a notebook in the Edit view. This data app breaks down how to use the Enrich by Zip Code block and can be found in our block gallery library linked below. To publish this data app, we use this button. The first time an app is published, the button looks like this. And then, each time changes are made and the app is republished, the button appears like this. When you publish your app, you are redirected to the App Mission Control page. App Mission Control represents a simplistic control panel from which you can trigger or launch your finished data app. From here, you can view your run history, redirect to share or edit your app, and manually run or schedule your app to run on its own. This button redirects you to the app editing view that we just came from. This button allows you to share your app with others. Editing the shareability of the app happens from the Published Mission Control because this clean interface represents the ability to communicate only the meaningful or relevant parts of your data app and share with teammates without directing them through the messiness of all your steps in the Edit view. Every time the data app is edited, these changes need to be published, and the data app needs to be reran to reveal these changes in your results. Each run is documented in this side panel so you can see who ran the app and when. However, this history bank also allows you to return to a previous run to view past versions of your data app. From the App Mission Control, apps can be ran manually or scheduled to run at a particular time or repeated increment of time. When you run an app, it triggers the series of blocks you've set up to process your data. When this button is clicked, you are automatically redirected to the dashboard view of your data app. Here, you can see a minimized, clean version of your results. The steps and result tables that show up here are dependent on the in-app visibility settings of the blocks in your app. These settings are established in the Edit view. While I've repeatedly emphasized the polished, uncluttered view of published apps, it's worth noting that viewers can also explore the published data app in greater detail by selecting the Show All Steps button. For greater detail and information on the features discussed in this video, check out our other tutorials on our website at www.intersectlabs.io.